In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Waze to always use the fastest route. If you want Waze to prioritize saving time when it calculates directions, this is a simple setting you can adjust directly from your web account. Making this change helps ensure the app focuses on the quickest available path, which can be especially useful during daily commutes, busy traffic hours, or longer drives where every minute counts. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Using Chrome helps make sure the Waze web account page loads properly and that all settings display as expected. Once Chrome is open, go to your Waze web account settings. After the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct settings area before continuing. This is where Waze stores your account preferences, including how routes are planned for your trips. From there, look for the routing optimization option in the menu. Depending on your screen size or layout, you may need to scan the settings list carefully to find it. This section controls the way Waze chooses routes, so it's the right place to adjust how the app balances speed and navigation behavior. When you open routing optimization, find the routing style preference and set it explicitly to fastest route. This tells Waze that when multiple route options are available, it should prioritize the one that gets you to your destination in the least amount of time. That can include roads with better traffic flow or routes that reduce delays even if the distance is not always the shortest. After selecting fastest route, confirm the update so the setting is saved properly. This final confirmation is important because it forces Waze to apply the new preference automatically in future route calculations. If you leave the page without confirming, the change may not take effect, so be sure that the update has been accepted before you close the browser. Once that's done, your account will be set to favor time-saving calculations automatically. That means the next time Waze plans a trip, it will use this preference as part of its routing decisions. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your Waze routing preference to fastest route using Chrome through your web account settings. If you're making this adjustment to improve commute times or reduce delays on the road, this small change can make your navigation experience more efficient and predictable.